Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making sunflower earrings. The supplies you're going to need are UV resin, resin dye in brown and yellow. To darken up the yellow, I'm using a little bit of this gold mica powder. You need 2 mixing bowls, a mixing utensil, you'll need pliers, you'll need a drill with a very small drill bit. You'll need 2 eyelet screws, and you'll also need 2 fishhook earrings. So let's get started. So first we're going to mix up the brown for the center of the sunflower. Now remember, you're going to be making 2 because it's a pair of earrings. So it's about 2 drops. And then mix it up really well. And then you can also see if you want to darken it up a little bit. And I think this should be fine. And we're just going to put it in just the center. Okay, and then use your lighter to get rid of any bubbles, and then cure it for 90 seconds. Okay, so now that that's cured, we can go on and mix the next color. Okay, and you just take your mixing utensil and just wipe it off with a baby wipe. Make sure it's clean. And then this one, we're going to be using both. I'm just using the mica powder to actually darken up the dye. Now you're going to need more because this is a larger mold. And we're going to make 2, so I'm just going to fill this up as much as I can just to make sure that this will be filled with the UV resin. Okay, this comes out very light, so did 5 drops, and I just want to show you it's very lemony yellow, and I would like it just a tad darker than this. So I'm going to open this up and just put, oops, I dropped it, like a little teeny scoop full. And just wipe that end off. And then mix it up. Actually, you don't even really have to use this if you don't want to. You could just use the straight mica powder. Okay. Okay, so we're going to pour this into the mold. And then just make sure it goes into the petals. Like so. And using your lighter, get rid of those pesky bubbles. And then we can place this under the light for, I would say, 3 minutes on one side, turn it over and do 3 minutes on the back side, just to ensure that it's cured all the way through. Okay, now that it's cured, we can remove it from the mold. Be very careful when you're removing it. And there you have your sunflower. And then obviously we're doing earrings, so I'm just going to clean off this utensil here. And again, we're just going to go through the same procedure. We're just going to do the center in the brown. And remove those bubbles. And then cure it for 90 seconds. Okay, now that that's done, we can do this portion of it where we just pour in this yellow gold. Make sure it goes right to the edges. Okay. And then we're going to cure this for 180 seconds and then turn it over and cure it for another 180 seconds. All right, the second one is done curing, so I'm going to remove it from the mold. And then to make it the earring, you're going to need a drill and a very thin drill bit to make a hole for the eyelet screw. Now I already have one that already put the screw in, and I used a little UV resin in there to hold the screw in, and right now it's curing. So you're just going to find a spot where you'd like to place the eyelet screw. And I'm just looking for a good spot where I can just get it in there. I'm thinking right about here. And you just drill a hole. And then you take your eyelet screw, and you just screw it in. Like so. And I'm just going to add just a little bit of, just a touch of UV resin right there, just to hold it in, and then I'm going to cure it for 90 seconds. All right, so now that they're done curing and you have that eyelet screw in there, we're going to add the earring. So you're just going to open it slightly to the side, place your sunflower on, to open it a little more. Then close it up. Be careful when you're doing it. Make sure it's closed completely. That's one done. Then take the next one, open that up to the side, add your sunflower in, close it up, and there you have a pair of sunflower earrings. If you liked my video, please press the like button. Also, comment below, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for notifications of my upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find links to my jewelry, my artwork, and my photography. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.